Let us now understand the true curve command in this Siemens NX surface modeling. First, let us create another datum plane. I will offset it from this at about 80 mm. Click OK. I'll select this datum and I will start a sketch. I will make an arc. Close. OK. I'll select the dimension as 30 mm radius and then finish the application. Next, I'll go to surface, select through curves, and in through curves, I will first select the curve, middle mouse button, and select the next one. As you can see, the surface seems to be colliding. This is because the points needs to be changed, needs to be flipped. So I will cancel this selection. I'll go to through curves again, select the surface, and while selecting the other surface, I'll also select this area, middle mouse button, and click. So now you can see the surface is blended well and the through curve has been created. I'll click OK, exit, and the surface has